Welcome to the Hostinger coupon code channel. If you've landed here, chances are you're planning to purchase Hostinger hosting and you've been searching for a working coupon code. You might have already come across a 10% discount code somewhere on the internet, but why settle for 10% when a full 20% discount is right here waiting for you? That's exactly what this channel is all about. I have an exclusive coupon link that automatically applies a 20% discount at checkout. No manual code needed. The best part, it works for all countries in their local currency and language. So no matter where you're from, this deal is available for you. Simply use the link provided and you'll land directly on Hostinger's official website with the discount ready to go. Once you're on the Hostinger website, click on products and services in the navigation bar at the top of the page. From there, you'll see all of Hostinger's hosting plans and services laid out, clearly including cloud hosting, web hosting, website builder, and Hostinger business email, among others. For this demonstration, I'll be going with Hostinger VPS hosting to show you exactly how it works. Inside the VPS hosting section, you'll find several plans to choose from: KVM1, KVM2, KVM4, and KVM8, designed to suit different needs and budgets. I'm selecting the KVM2 plan for this walkthrough, and as soon as I proceed to checkout, the 20% discount is automatically applied. No need to hunt for a code or copy paste anything. One important tip before you go ahead: always try using a new email address that has not been previously registered with Hostinger. This ensures the discount applies smoothly without any issues. If this video helped you save some money on your hosting purchase, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more money saving deals and tutorials. Your support means everything.